All right, mommies, we're on recipe number 2. Breakfast edition. Sausage, egg, and cheese burritos. I used turkey kielbasa, eggs, 2 eggs for each burrito, so about 8 eggs. American cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and paprika. First, I cut my sausage in half, then I thinly slice. Spray a little olive oil and then start cooking the sausage until golden brown. Then you're ready to toast your tortilla wraps. I used about 2 small wraps and 2 large wraps. It doesn't take long to toast. Please don't let it burn. This was definitely fun making. I am enjoying this flat top. If you don't have one, you should get one. Now it's time for the eggs. You should already know eggs are made last. About 3/4 of the way, I like to add my American cheese on there. So I don't like dry eggs, so never make me dry eggs ever in your life. Now you're gonna just incorporate your cheese throughout. Now it's time to make our burritos. I used chipotle mayo. Layer it however you want, but I always start with the eggs first. After I'm finished wrapping, then I take a sheet of aluminum foil and then I just wrap it in foil to keep it warm. And then we put it in the freezer so they can have it right away for breakfast or they can have it the next morning. It really doesn't matter. But the whole goal is to make sure that you have some food that's already pre-made so you don't have to keep making it. And that, mommies, is called meal prepping your breakfast. Enjoying this meal prep series? Give it a like and follow me for more. Love y'all. Peace out.